Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your mouse settings to improve your aim overall in most games. What you're going to do, you're going to bottom left type up mouse settings. From here you want to click on additional mouse options. Go to pointer options and disable enhance pointer position. I've already done this because I obviously had to test out first. After you disable that, click OK. What this does, this setting accelerates your mouse whilst you're moving it more. So say if I'm doing like a backward 7 in CS to improve aim, like improve my recoil on my AK. Whilst I'm doing this transition of moving my mouse, it will speed it up to get it done quicker. This will obviously, if this is enabled, this will make your aim less precise because obviously you're trying to control it, but it's speeding it up. After you turning this off, your aim should be a lot better and your recoil control should be a lot better, overall improving your aim. I find this helped me a lot in games like, so obviously CS with the AK, games like Apex, and games like Rainbow. I find that obviously this does help, but you need to configure your DPI options on your mouse. I've already got mine set, so I'll show you my settings. I find I'm most comfortable with 600 up to like 1000 really. If you look at the bottom right, I have my own settings, so I go from 800 to 1000, so on and so on. I find 600 is best for me with higher sensitivity in game. In case you guys don't know, I want to show you my games because you guys don't need to leave comments what you want to see next, so I thought I might as well show you my games. I have games like Ark, all the way down to like story mode games like Batman, Assassin's Creed, all the Call of Duties really, Halo. If you guys want to leave a comment, any game you want to see, I most likely will buy it if you want to see it. So this is the end of the video here. I hope you guys like. Please comment and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next time.